Hey guys, I'm Janelle and welcome back to my channel. I make vegan recipes that are easy, delicious, and affordable and are always gluten-free. So if you have a ton of blueberries on hand right now and you just do not know what to do with all of them, maybe you bought a big giant flat and you don't just want to freeze them, well then I have the perfect recipe for you. Today we are making cardamom blueberry muffins. If you've never heard of cardamom or tried it before, it's a very subtle, earthy spice. It's kind of sweet, kind of warm, and it comes from the seeds of the cardamom pod. It's really delicious, and it pairs so nicely with citrus fruits and really well in baking. I found that it also pairs really well with blueberries, and probably a lot of other berries too. This recipe might seem like it has a lot of ingredients going on, but really, a lot of them are pretty much just your pantry essentials that you likely already have for your everyday baking. So once you get all those ingredients together in the bowl, the rest is easy peasy. So let's get to it. Here's all the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe, so feel free to pause on the screen to get a longer look or check out my full recipe blog linked below. Into a large bowl, sift in your gluten-free flour, baking powder and soda, salt, cardamom, and coconut sugar until no lumps remain. Press any lumps of coconut sugar through the sieve if needed. Whisk the dry ingredients until well combined and fluffy. To another large bowl, add your non-dairy vanilla yogurt, flax egg, melted vegan butter or coconut oil, non-dairy milk, and vanilla extract, and whisk until it's a thick, well-combined mixture. Pour it into the dry ingredients and mix together until the batter has just started to combine. This will be pretty sticky and thick. Next, toss your fresh blueberries in a tablespoon of tapioca flour or cornstarch and slowly mix them into the batter. This little hack prevents the blueberries from sinking in the batter. Very helpful. Line your muffin tin with parchment liners or with a spritz of baking spray and fill them up until the batter is just above the liner. We want these to bake into really full, delicious muffin tops. Give each muffin a sprinkle of turbinado sugar. It's an optional but highly recommended addition, and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Blueberries and naturally sweet tasting cardamom is such a yummy combo that I think really shines in this recipe. I love a good muffin for breakfast or just as an anytime snack or dessert, and these cardamom blueberry muffins check all the boxes in my books. Some tasty flavor add-ins that would work really well in this recipe are lemon zest, cinnamon, or mashed bananas if you don't have yogurt on hand. And there you have it! That's how easy it is to make these muffins. Cardamom and blueberries, such a delicious combo. How delicious did those muffins look, right? If you liked this video, I would so appreciate if you gave this video a big thumbs up and you subscribed to my channel. I've got new videos dropping every week. I've even got a few more hitting the channel that are blueberry related because right now it's blueberry season and I have a ton of them and I gotta make some more recipes to use them all up. Don't want you guys to miss out, so subscribe. I have a few other muffin recipes on my channel as well. I will link them up here for you or down below at the end of this video so you can check them out. Thanks again for watching. I so appreciate you guys, and I will see you again in a future video. Bye!